Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to sign up for TikTok using Apple ID or Google ID. First of all, install TikTok and then open it. Next, you're going to tap sign up for TikTok, then choose continue with Apple or continue with Google. And then select your Apple or Google account and agree to the permissions and complete your TikTok profile and then tap done. Or if you have already had an account before with your TikTok but you haven't have the access to it, this is how you guys can regain it. And yeah, safety tip: verify which Apple Google account you are using to avoid mixing personal and work accounts. Quick fix: if it fails, uninstall and reinstall the app or try the web version of TikTok to sign up first. And that's it. Subscribe for more TikTok fixes and tutorials.